How to market your business. There are many different ways to market your business. Marketing is essential for businesses to reach and engage with their target audience. Some common marketing methods include social media marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, and content marketing. Each method has its own advantages and disadvantages, and it's important to choose the right ones for your business goals and audience. Effective marketing requires a deep understanding of your target audience, their needs, and their behavior. By developing a strong marketing strategy and implementing it effectively, businesses can build brand awareness, drive traffic, and increase sales. 1. Digital marketing. Online marketing methods involve promoting a business through various digital channels. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to reach and engage with a target audience. Email marketing involves sending promotional messages to a list of subscribers. SEO aims to increase a website's visibility in search engine results pages. PPC advertising allows businesses to place ads on search engine results pages or other websites and pay only when someone clicks on the ad. These methods can be effective for businesses to reach their target audience and promote their products or services online. 2. Content marketing. This involves creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, with the ultimate goal of driving profitable customer action. 3. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is the strategy of working with people who have a large following on social media to promote your product or service. Influencers use their platform to endorse a product or service, and followers are more likely to buy it based on those recommendations. A form of social media marketing that helps build trust with your customers. 4. Event marketing. Event marketing involves creating and promoting events that can increase brand awareness, generate leads, and drive sales. Businesses can host their own events or sponsor other events to reach their target audience. Hosting events can help businesses create a memorable experience for attendees and build a community around their brand. Sponsorship of events can help businesses gain exposure to a wider audience and associate their brand with a cause or industry. Overall, event marketing can be a powerful tool for businesses to create engagement with their target audience and boost their brand visibility. 5. Direct marketing. Direct marketing is reaching potential customers directly through various channels such as direct mail, telemarketing, and email marketing. This is a targeted approach that allows companies to communicate with specific individuals or groups and provide personalized offers or information. Direct marketing is often used in combination with other marketing techniques to create a more comprehensive marketing campaign. However, it can also be a standalone strategy that yields measurable results and helps companies reach their sales goals. 6. Referral marketing. Referral marketing is a method of incentivizing existing customers to refer their friends and family to a product or service through referral programs or rewards. It relies on the power of word-of-mouth marketing and leverages the trust and influence of existing customers to attract new customers. Referral programs can be effective in generating new leads and sales, as well as building customer loyalty and trust. By offering rewards or incentives, businesses can encourage their customers to spread the word about their products or services to their network, which can result in increased brand awareness and customer acquisition. Each marketing technique has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the most effective approach depends on many factors, including target group, industry, and budget. A balanced marketing strategy often includes multiple ways to reach and engage customers across multiple channels.